Once we open MS Paint, Microsoft Paint, this is the working window you can see, right? Here, can you see there are some named label 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 mean paint buttons. By using this paint button, we can do some quick actions. 2 mean quick access toolbar. File, then name, file, home and view. In these tabs, there are some different icons. And the third one is the ribbon. And the fourth one is the drawing area. Here we have to identify some icons, right? There are some icons in the home tab. We use this icon to draw some pictures in our working area, right? Drawing area. First identify, there's a select option. We can start a text or picture that's drawn. We can select it. Then crop. We can crop anyone. Then resize. We can enlarge and decrease or reduce the size of the picture. And we can rotate. We can rotate it into necessary directions, and pencil is used to draw pictures. And here you can see a paint basket. It's used to paint, right? Used to color the shapes. And text tool, we can insert any text. And eraser, we can erase our writings and drawings. And also brush tool, we can use different brush tools, and we use them to decorate our picture. And next you can see some drawings. It means you can see some shapes. You can directly use them to your drawing. And also line. If you want to draw lines, you can use this option. And curves, right? We can use it to make some curves. These are the main icons we use in Microsoft Paint. So how to open it? How to open it? It's very easy. You have to go to the search bar and type as paint, right? Type as paint. When you type it, you can see the software. This is the working window. Yes, now you can identify the tabs. There are 2 tabs, and also the ribbon and working area. I'll quickly tell you how to use these things. First, let's use a shape, right? First, let's use a shape. Here, we are in the home tab. In the home tab, let's go to the category shapes. Let's use a one, this star, and let's draw it. Once you select it, and when you go to the drawing area, you can see this. Then drag and drop, right? Drag and drop. Okay. Now you can see this outline option and fill option available, right? Here we can fill with no fill, solid. Then you can use some brush tool options, and also your outline colors. So let's choose colors. See, now I use this. Look, it's my outline color, and I want to fill it with next. Let's go to the paint basket and use a paint color and paint it, right? This is how we can use shapes, right? There are a lot of shapes available. Let's use another one. Also this. Let's use another shape. If you want to change it color, here, and again use a paint basket, right? Apply some color, right? And I'll use this pencil. By using pencil, let's use a color. You can draw. You can write anything in this way. Right? And this is the eraser. Let's erase our drawing. If you want to enlarge the screen, enlarge the eraser, use the Control and your plus mark, and you can enlarge it. If you want to decrease or reduce the size of the eraser, then use Control plus minus mark, right? And then let's erase it. We can erase our drawing also. In this way, we can erase it. Right. Is it clear, Pute? Right. And also we can write something. Let's use the small font size. Let's reduce the font size. 700. Yes. My screen is stuck. Dinugi, can you see my screen? Yes, no? Yes. Now I am going to reduce the size. Right? See. And you can change the font style. Then font colors. Okay, you can bold, italic, underline. Let's write grade 6 ICT. I want to add another one. You can drag and drop your text area. I want to use another color, and let's change the font size, font style. By Maduka Teacher, right? Okay. We use shapes and the paint baskets, pencil and text, and also eraser. Right. This is the color picker. Right. When we click this, we can use some colors. Right. Now can you see the pink color change to blue color? Again, if I come here and click, can you see my color change to blue to green? Again, let's use the color picker, and when we come to here and click it, yes, color change to green to purple. Again, when we click and come here, it changed to purple to pink. Color picker is used to pick some color. And next, here you can see a magnifier. By using the magnifier, we can magnify, right? Next, let's use brushes. There are a lot of brushes available. Let's use them. Let's change the color first and use the first brush type. See how it works. Second type. Third type. According to your drawing, according to your requirement, you can select any brush style. See, these brushes have different styles. According to your requirement, according to your drawing, you can select any brush. Then let's discuss about this select, resize and rotate options. Okay, let's use an image. Let's use a shape first. Yes, this is the arrow. Okay, this is the arrow. And I want to add, use the paint basket, and let's add this color. It's a brown color, right? Next, I want to write. Now see, in this moment, I cannot take this drawing to anywhere I want. So what we have to do is, we want to select it, right? Select option and come to the image and select it. Now you can move it anywhere you want. Now you can move it anywhere you want. If you want a copy of this, just click copy and paste. Now you have two images. If you want another copy, again paste. We have 3 copies. If you want another one, just paste. Now we have 4 copies, right? Again, let's do it. Select it. Select any shape or any area you want. Now you can move it to anywhere. Okay. If you want to copy it, and if you want paste it, use copy and paste options. You already know about copy and paste options. By using this option, we can make their duplicates. Right. Shall we use the resize option? First select it and go to resize. By using this option, by dragging and dropping, we can resize our image. By dragging and dropping, we can resize our image. Next one, select any area you want and just resize. Right? Let's reduce it to 40 and click OK. Now can you see it reduced to 40? Yes, again let's resize. Click it. Let's add 200 and then click OK. It increased the size. Is it clear to you? Putta, is it clear to you? Yes? Yes, Dinugi? Yes. Let's use the rotate option. Okay, let's select the image and use rotate. There are several ways. See, if I want, I can rotate in this way. According to your requirement, you can change this. First select and then go to rotate. First select and go to rotate. Right. These are the icons we have to use when we draw pictures in Microsoft Paint.